but you're trying to steal food from my purse. You try to steal food from here, huh? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on, my love. Look at her. Trying to steal food from my purse. You're a bad girl. Oh, she pulled out her jacket. Lyla? Lyla? What are you doing? You bad girl? You a bad doggy? What do you want? What does my little Pookie Pie want? Huh? What does my little Lyla want? She bad doggy? She wants your tree? In here? Where is it? Right here? Oh, I see. Her tree right here. Yeah, I see. Look at you. What do you say? You say please? No, say please. Bark. Ruff. Say please. Good girl.